Hey everyone, it's kind of late at night, but I decided, after putting up some track lighting that I have on this remote here, and actually you can see there's a remote receiver down there. I've just turned off my rope lights, turned them on with the remote. Then I got track lights off, on. Yeah, rope lights off, rope lights on. I've decided I can finally put some fans up in my room that I don't need a light kit for. I tried my Strata fan, but I have to get a different control for it, because right now I decided to put up my new fan. I've been wanting to put this one up for a while, try it out. I got this from Dan Newman, who originally got it from Mark Welker, and now I got it. And like I said, it's kept it on the Fasco control, same control as I controlled my Fasco Charleston, which is, well, in a box in the pile underneath there somewhere. There's my Homestead Universal, and buried in there my Moss Heirloom Deluxe, and on top is a Design House Carousel in polished brass, which I will likely be trading. I'm getting a antique brass Design House Carousel, which is a childhood fan, but that'll be in another video. But anywho, let's show the new fan in my bedroom. We'll start with low, all the way to low. Yeah, when I put up I tried the Strata fan on the Fasco. Low was just too fast, so I don't think that this control will work for it. Just don't have much speed range. I should have it nice and slow on low and then insanely fast on high, like you'd think. But yeah, well, I'll probably replace this control with a modern 4-speed capacitor-based control. It'll probably control fans a lot better. It'll even be quieter because I hear a little bit of a hum, slight hum, but not as bad as a solid state, but a little bit of a hum. Well, it's not a bad low. This is a good low for bringing heat down, since a lot of heat is up there. And I have kind of raised it with the slightly shorter down rod. Still clears the slope. And I took the slope ceiling adapter from my Fasco Charleston. Here, let's go up to one more notch higher up to low medium. Takes a little bit to speed up, but there is still a bit more of a definitely a breeze. Very gentle, but I can feel something. It swings a little bit, but I'll have to balance this out, which will be done another time, but it's not bad. But it's actually, I like this speed. This is the speed I want out of a low medium. Between low and medium. Well, let's go up to high medium, which is below medium, below high, but okay, not bad. Still, I feel a breeze. Now let's do high. Let's just bring it to high. Pretty fast on high. And I'm getting a good breeze out of it. Oh yeah. I mean, new fans are not the fastest from what I understand, but this one's fast enough for in here. I'd be happy with this. But anyways, this is the new fan. Also, this could also be known as a Moss Tropical Breeze. It's almost the same thing as that, but slightly different, or a golden fan, but this is actually labeled new fan. So, anywho, time for spin down. I'm sure next I'll have up in here my Moss Heirloom or my Moss Heirloom Deluxe or my Design House Carousel. Also, I'm itching to put up my Casablanca Delta 2 that's also in the box. And I also want to try my Homestead Universal right there. But for now, I'm going to try this one and see what this one does. Got a long spin down, so still spinning down, so okay. Well, that is my new fan, just to verify. NF. New fan. So, this is my new fan, and I'd like to put this to a little bit of use. So, other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another fan.